everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn understanding of IPv4. So how the IPv4 addressing is work, and how this addressing, the IP addresses is get assigned to the system. So that we will going to learn today. Okay, let's go for next slide. Okay, what is an IP address? IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. Okay, means if you are connected with the internet, so there are some IP addresses get assigned to your system. That is a unique address. Okay, so it could never be similar to the other PCs. Okay, so using IP address you can identify which PC is what data transferring. Okay, so it is used for the transferring of data in the internet as well through IP address. So unique identifier for device on the network. Two main types, IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, there are two types of IP addressing is there, IPv4 and IPv6. Well, we will focus on IPv4. Okay, IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4 uses 32-bit addressing represented in dot decimal format like 192.168.1.1. Okay, support approximately 4.3 million unique addresses. So if you want to check that what IP, if you are connected with through mobile or what I can say, laptop, any devices, you can check the IP address through IP config or if you are using any Linux. Okay, from using that, this command on command prompt or in your Google Drive, Google type what is my IP, so from there also you will get your IP address. Okay, IPv4 address structure divided into 4 octet. Okay, like this is a binary representation that 1166 times 0. Okay, so this is a binary representation. It could be represented for user understandable. See, always remember, system always understand binary language like 1 0 only. So for that for this is for system, this is this representation, but for our understanding it is this 192.168.1.1. each octet ranges from 0 to 255. Okay, suppose if one network is there and the IP start from 192.1.1.168 dot something, so it will ranges from 255. Okay, there are two parts of network, that is network ID and host ID. Now see, classes of IPv4 addresses. There are 5 addresses are there, like classes are there, which is let's start with, let's learn A. Class A IP address is 1.0.0.0 to 126.255.255.255. Okay, this is a class A ranges. Default subnet to 255.0.0.0. Okay, large network it could be developed. Then class B 128.0.0.0.0 to 191.255.255.255, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0.0.0, medium network. And class C IP address 192.0.0.0 to this 223.255.255, and it is a default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, small networks. And class D is multitasking and research purpose. Okay, so in this still we are only using the A, B and C class IP addresses. D and E are still it used for multitasking and research purpose. Okay, now next, private versus public IP address. Private IP is used within the local network, not routable on the internet. Class A 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255. Suppose if in a big organization, MNCs, they are developed their private network. Okay, because they have servers and data sharings and lots of things were there. So due to that, they will develop their own private network. and this IP will get assigned to their network. So if you are working from home, so you will not able to access their servers or files and any what I can say, data. So to access that, you have to be part of that private IP. So that is the reason always they prefer or asked users to connect with VPN, the class B IP 172.116. So if you want to develop any small network, a small or any private IP network, so you can use this kind of what I can say, ranges, class A, class B, class C. Public IP is routable on the internet. Okay, suppose one system is shut down or restart, so other IPs get reassigned. Okay, so that is called routable. Now next, subnetting basics. Divides large network into smaller subnet. Suppose if you want to develop any big network, so it has to be divided into subnet, help manage traffic and improve the security. Subnet mask example 255.255.255.0. CIDR notation is /24. It is nothing but we can say the subnet mask. So about subnetting masks we will learn in upcoming video, but for now just understand what is subnetting mask and just basics, that if you want to develop any large network, so you can divide into smaller subnets. Next, special IPv4 address. Suppose sometimes if we want to use this IP address by default, so these are the IP address, that is 127.0. So you have used MySQL server, so there this is the IP, you can say by default it will take 127.0.0.1 loop back local host 0.0 default route unknown address 255.255 broadcast ID and 169.254.x APIPA automatic private addressing. Okay. Now IPv4 limitations. Limited address space about is 4.3 million. Address exhaustion due to growing network. IPv6 is developed as a solution. If as there are limited address spacing for IPv4, so due to that IPv6 has been developed. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and support us.